Alright, what's up traders? Let's head off another week with another Monday 1 minute something, whatever you want to call it. If we take a look at the euro as a whole here, guys, let's look at both EURUSD and Euro GBP. We see the end of the last week really sweeping previous lows here, and if we're seeing on GBP, we're seeing just slightly below that blue box range that we were looking for before. We did want to actually see the euro dropping down lower, but since this massive momentum shift into the early week here, we're going to have to play with that. We're going to have to follow that momentum going into the following days here and really play it out as if we're going to be in an uptrend for the week. And then we're just going to be looking at these clean levels here, possible supply zone there, and the same idea. It's very much similar, matching up with the Euro USD as well. Just see previous highs here, possibly a sweep there, and then possibly a breakdown here. But the reality is we're going to have to be following that trend. Pound USD, guys, currently rejecting off of this exact level that we were looking at last week. If you guys want to look back at that video and on the streams, we were talking about the rejection off of this zone here. It does look like it actually is rejecting. It came back up for a little bit of a test, and it's really dropping down. That's also giving the strong momentum to the upside for that euro pound, making it very strong confluence. And we're going to be targeting a little bit lower lows here, kind of this untested area, if we are in fact able to break down even lower here. As we were looking out on the Swissy, we saw only one possible reversal point here. After that, there's nothing really left of interest, and we're really going to just completely drop down to the bottom if we do break these lows again. So we would like to see a rally on the Swissy here after we saw those sweeps. That's showing strong indication, retesting of this line here that we drew on stream, retesting that order block right there, and then we're just rallying back up. But it is really showing some signs of weakness. If you look here, we see previous highs being completely swept on the single day time frame here, and then breaking back down. So it is showing that it's going to show more continuation to the downside, most likely in this case. UCAD doing roughly what we wanted here. We saw a long time ago this gap being filled and then a rally off of it as our possible reversal point. We didn't see any pullback in that range right away, so that's kind of what we've been waiting for. And after we saw that it was sweeping these highs, multiple tests here, we didn't want to get in yet because we could see a possible retest of this supply zone right there. But we are seeing that is in fact breaking down here. We're coming back for a little bit of a rally, so we're going to have to watch to see if it turns back down right here, right in this area, or if it doesn't, it's probably going to be turning right above here and going for another fake out for the bears to be faked out, and then we're going to come to the downside and bears are really going to take back over, and then we're going to be able to retest that zone right there. Those are the important pairs this week, guys. Take a look, make sure you follow them. More details in the stream. If you want to join the best Forex woke trading community there is, click the link in the description.